Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all 4 easy snack recipes. They're deliciously yummy and very easy to make. Let's begin. Eggplant fingers. With this crispy, yummy recipe. For that we require eggplant cut into finger shapes, breadcrumbs, this is maida and cornflour slurry, salt, black pepper, red chili and garam masala. We also require oil. So first in a mixing bowl I will take oil. To it I will add garam masala, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, mix it well. Then put the eggplant fingers into it and marinate them for about 10 minutes. Coat them nicely. Then in the maida and cornflour slurry I will add the black pepper powder and salt. Mix it well, combine nicely and keep it aside. In the breadcrumbs I will add red chili powder. This is completely optional. Mix it well. Now in a pan I will take oil and let it heat properly. Till then I will take the eggplant fingers, dip them into the cornflour slurry and then coat them into the breadcrumbs. Coat them evenly and nicely. Then deep fry them in hot oil on high flame till they become nice golden brown in color. And this is how our eggplant sticks are ready. Spinach and baby potato snack. Delicious snack recipe. For that we require baby potatoes. These are peeled and boiled baby potatoes. Spinach, cooked spinach. Sweet corn, these are also cooked. Coriander leaves, olive oil, salt, basil, chili flakes, onion, garlic mayonnaise and garlic powder. So first I will switch on the flame and heat a pan. I am using a frying pan. Once it's hot enough, I will add olive oil to it. About 3 teaspoons of olive oil. And onion. 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. And mix it well. Once the onion has become translucent, I will add garlic powder to it. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt, about half teaspoon. Mix well and let it cook. Then to this I will add garlic mayonnaise. You may use normal eggless mayonnaise if you want to. 3 tablespoons of garlic mayonnaise. Combine it well on medium-low flame. I will add some water so that it combines well and mix it again on high flame. I will add the baby potatoes now. These are boiled and cooked baby potatoes. I have also boiled the spinach and then chopped it. It's cooked thoroughly. Mix it well. Let the potatoes get coated with the mayonnaise and then add chili flakes. These are as per taste. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon. Basil, half teaspoon and mix it well. To this I will add boiled sweet corn, 1 tablespoon of boiled sweet corn. Mix well and add coriander leaves. You may add parsley. Mix it well and switch off the flame. It's ready. So this is how our spinach baby potato snack is ready. Poha cutlet. For that we require potatoes, peeled, mashed, boiled potatoes. Then we require rice flakes. Then we also require chaat masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin seeds, ginger, green chilies, ground cumin and coriander, coriander leaves, garam masala, corn flour. These are breadcrumbs, salt and oil. You also require water. So these are the rice flakes. I'm going to wash them and drain the water. Yes, and let them become nice soft. So in a mixing bowl, I'll first take the rice flakes which are nice soft. Yes, and then I will add the boiled potatoes. These are mashed potatoes. I've peeled them. Now I'll mix it nicely. Okay, then I will add garam masala, ground cumin and coriander, turmeric powder, green chilies finely chopped, red chili powder, chaat masala as per taste, cumin seeds, salt and ground ginger, grated ginger, and then mix it well. Yes, and let it combine nicely. Then I will add the coriander leaves to it and mix again. Now in another bowl I'll take the corn flour and add water to it and make the corn flour slurry. So mix it well. Then in another bowl I'll take the breadcrumbs. Now to my palms I'll apply some oil and then start making the cutlets. Yes. Then I'll dip these cutlets into the corn flour mixture and then coat them with the breadcrumbs. So make all the cutlets nicely like this. Coat them nicely with the breadcrumbs and they are ready. Now I'll heat some oil in a kadhai and I'll deep fry these cutlets till they become nice golden brown in color. So on high flame, deep fry till they become golden brown in color. Keep flipping them. Yes, this is how they look. I'll fry the next batch now. Okay. And this is how our poha cutlet is ready. Corn masala puri. For that we require boiled American corn or sweet corn, wheat flour, salt, ajwain, rice flour, black pepper powder, ground cumin and coriander, cumin seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, green chilies, water and oil. So first we are going to mixer grind the green chilies and sweet corn till they become nice smooth paste like this. Now to this I will add the wheat flour. We want to make a dough, so add the rice flour and wheat flour accordingly. Then add the ajwain, cumin, black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ground cumin and coriander, cumin seeds and salt, all as per taste. Now add some oil and then knead the dough. Soft and firm dough. Now we are going to roll out the puris. So apply some oil and then roll out the puris. They must be not too thick and not too thin. We are going to deep fry them in hot oil on high flame till they puff up nicely and cook well from both the sides. So about 1 minute on each side. Perfectly done puris are ready. So this is how our snack recipe of corn masala puri is ready. So this is how our 4 easy snack recipes are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.